kick flip joint. So it's like that, and you roll as you go, and these extra ones are to the kick flip to keep putting more on. With your mental health joints super stealth filter, easy disposal filter, and the base, lay the tobacco in, stretching it out as you go so it's all angled down the cigarette. Well, like it's supposed to be a joint, I suppose. Don't hold it from the ends, whatever you do. Hold it from the middle. So you start with the beginning and you work your way up. So I've not put tobacco in all of it. You've got plenty in the base by the roach, so it's stiffer. Right, so we start rolling the first bit. Nice and tight for the first bit. Roll the first bit. And then we add on to it, you see, that's the secret. You can roll 7 skinners, probably 8 skinners, I don't know why bother. Get the next tobacco on. Roll it. Very sloppy job, but I'm doing it in a hurry. Very sloppy job. So I'm this far ahead now. Shove some more in. Close that. That looks like a nice smokable one, but it needs a bit of bracing. You take one here, rip it in half. Oops. Put that around the start of it so it doesn't fall over and droop. One on one side, turn it around, one on the other side. We ripped it. It'll do. Okay, putting it in the smoking.